Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Volleyball Legend Discord server in PC and also in mobile. So I'm starting by PC. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply get the invite link. You can basically ask a friend or check community hubs, an example, or you can just find the link on the officials for an example. So you can just go and open a new tab on any browser that you want. And you can just go and type volleyball, so volleyball legend, and just add Discord server. So once you do so, hit the enter button, and as you can see, the first link that you'll find, just go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll find here create an example when and how many members. You can just go and click on join Discord server. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll be taken, so you are invited to join. You can just go and click on accept invite, and as you can see, accept an invite. So do you want to open an example Discord as an app, or you don't want to? So I'm just going to do I don't want to. I'm just going to continue on the web as an example. And once I continue to the web, as you can see, I already joined on the server. This is on PC. So, and for an example, you'll have also to go and open the Discord. For me, as an example, I'm already joined. So let me just go here and click on more option. Let me just go and leave the server first of all. And you'll just have to do the same way if you are on the phone. You'll have to go and open as example the Discord. You can, as an example, click on the plus button, and here as an example, you can click on join the server, and you can go and enter the link. And of course, to find the link, you'll have to go to any website or any of course browser you have. You can just go and enter new, and you can just type volleyball legend and add Discord. No need to add server. So you can see, you'll find the same. I'm just going to click on, oh, sorry. Just want that. Of course, they'll keep taking me here because I clicked on continue, my bad. Let me just go back as an example here. Oh, they'll take me in here. So yeah, here we are again. As you can see, you can just go and click on the first link. And in here again, you can just go and scroll down a little bit until you find this join Discord server. Go and click on that. And once you do so, as you can see, so we just wait a little bit and they should log us or let us join their server. So as you can see, once you wait a little bit, you should find yourself in the Discord right away, and you will just have to go and click on accept invite. Once you do so, you will be taken into their server and you'll be able to join it. As simple as that. So that should be it for me in this video. Of course, you can just go now and verify your membership and introduce yourself on channels and start interacting with the community. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.